This one is called American Blues. It's about the housing crisis. If you'd like to sing along, it goes, can't afford my rent, can't afford your rent. I hope you enjoy. Never own a home, I never own a home, you never own a home, I can't afford my rent. Never own a home, I never own a home, you never own a home, I can't afford your rent. Landlord's on his property. What comes next is a mystery. Forced to work or freeze. The stage capital can't be beat. Work too hard to make government cheese. So make sure you tune out. Anything that can cause doubt. Took away our right to choose now. Everything feels brand new. Welcome to the American blues. Never own a home, I never own a home, I never own a home, we can't afford my rent. Never own a home, I never own a home, I never own a home, we can't afford my rent. Oh, paycheck, not a pen. Everything is owned by the 1%. Watch out and we strike out. We work all day, we work all night. We work till we fucking die. So make sure you tune out. Anything that can cause doubt. Took away our right to choose now. Everything feels brand new. Welcome to the American blues. Never own a home, I never own a home, I never own a home, we can't afford my rent. Never own a home, I never own a home, I never own a home, we can't afford my rent. If we're born just a little bit sooner, maybe into wealth, to win the lottery, a fortune to be free, in the heart of, in the soul of, in the pockets of the American blues.